Good morning, everybody. And today, our assembly is again based on the idea of it being Healthy Eating Week. If you can remember that every day had a theme, I wonder if you can remember what Wednesday's theme is. If you can't remember, don't worry, I'm here to remind you the theme for today is Drink Plenty. Now, you might not realise it because it doesn't really feel like it, but our human body is actually pretty much half fluid, half liquid. And we need to keep plenty of liquid inside us for our body to work properly. But the problem is for us that we constantly lose liquid. We sweat, we breathe, we go to the toilet. And that loses important fluid that we need in our body. So we have to keep making sure that we top it up. If we don't, we become something called dehydrated, where we don't have enough fluid in our system. And if we get dehydrated, it can lead to problems. We might find it difficult to concentrate, and it could cause us headaches, and it could cause us tiredness. So it's really important that we drink plenty. Now, it's recommended that we should have about 6 to 8 drinks every day. A glass about this size, looking like this, well, 6 to 8 of those should do the trick. But not always is it just drink plenty. Sometimes you have to think about what you drink. And I'm going to introduce you to a medal system of thinking about different drinks. If you've watched any sports, you'll know that for the best competitors, they get gold medals, second best silver medals, third best bronze, and so on. So I'm going to try and get you to have as much gold and silver medal drinks as you possibly can when you are drinking plenty. So let's have a little look at the medal table. In gold position, the best drink you can possibly have is water. Okay? From the tap or mineral water from a bottle like this, it doesn't matter. But water. If you were having 6 to 8 drinks of water a day, you would be on tip-top form because you are giving yourself the gold standard, the best drink that you can possibly drink. If you can't manage water, the second best thing you can possibly manage is a low-fat milk or a dairy alternative. That is like the silver medal drink. If you wanted a bit of variety, you could always have in your 6 to 8 drinks maybe 2 drinks of milk and top up the rest with water. That would be a really good day too. Nearly gold standard. Now, I know that some of you might not be so keen on these types of drinks, but the bronze standard is probably things like this: tea and coffee, but they have to be unsweetened. And obviously, because sometimes some of these products contain caffeine, it's best to avoid for very young children and to avoid having too much of those. And as kind of equal third in bronze place, it's equally good to have things like vegetable and fruit juices and smoothies. Okay, again, if you wanted to do a bit of a variety, if you had 1 or 2 of these in a day, maybe a drink of milk, and then topped up the rest of it with water, that would be great. Be very careful though, when we say drink plenty, not to drink plenty of this kind of stuff. Okay, any fizzy drinks are probably going to be very, very filled with sugary items, which aren't particularly good for you, particularly for your teeth and also for your bodies. So I've introduced you to the medal table, and the idea is that you should drink plenty. To finish off then, there's a little video that explains why it's so important for you to try and follow this advice. I'm going to say goodbye. I'll let your teachers show you the Drink Plenty video and see if you can meet that challenge today and for the rest of this week. Aim for gold, see if you can drink plenty. Bye.